May I come in, sir?
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Sit.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Introduce yourself.
So my name is Kanak Singh Chandel. I am 17 years old. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. About my family, apart from my parents, I have one younger sister. Currently, she is in class 11. And my father's name is Mr. Jitendra Singh Chandel. He is a serviceman currently working in LIC. My mother's name is Ms. Preeti Singh, and she is an excellent housemaker. About my education qualification, I have completed my class 10 from Nurture International School, affiliated to CBSE board with an overall percentage of 82.6. I have completed my class 12 from Nurture International School, affiliated to CBSE board with an overall percentage of 81%, and my PCM percentage is 79.8. That's all about me, and my hobbies is to play basketball.
Basketball.
Yes, sir.
So, like you are playing it on school basis or like
So school basis.
school basis? Okay. Any inter-school tournament have you played?
Yes, sir.
And district level?
No, sir.
No district level.
Only school level, sir.
Okay. So why are you not making this career as your profession?
So because it is my hobby and not my interest. I have to join Merchant Navy
I
because
think hobby is your interest. Without
but sir,
being
only
interested.
playing, not
Yeah.
as a career.
I'm also talking about only playing.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes playing is a career.
Yes, sir.
If you are interested in basketball
Yes,
and
sir.
you are playing well,
Yes, sir.
it can be your career. You can earn money from that also.
Yes, sir.
You can earn name and fame.
But sir, in basketball, if you are playing, then you can make money.
Yeah.
But in Merchant Navy, if we are on ship, or we get salary per month, and in normal matches we cannot get salary like basketball,
Okay.
because it is like
Why
matches
do you
per-
want to join Merchant Navy?
So whenever a person is looking for a job, he is looking basically for two things. First is motivation, and second is job safety. And Merchant Navy provides me both of these opportunities as compared to other profession. Out of three motivations, Merchant Navy is providing me at least two of them. First is autonomy and significance, and second is growth. And I am also eligible
Which
for
one is the third motivation?
Sir, it is growth and purpose.
That is
Contribution, sorry sir. Contribution.
Contribution. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what are you getting?
So autonomy and significance and growth. Second is growth.
Autonomy and significance in terms of what?
So like how much value or respect the company is giving you, because at every position if I am a deck cadet, my job profiles are same.
What is your job profile when you are a deck cadet?
So doing like currently I can't recall this time. Sorry sir.
Okay. And what is the other thing? Growth.
Growth.
Growth
So-
in terms of what?
So like if I am going to higher post, my salary is increasing and my knowledge and skills are also increasing.
What is the salary of a third mate?
So it is like around 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh. Depends on ship.
Are you sure?
Yes sir.
Are you sure?
So if it is changed, I no. Currently I not.
Okay. Yeah. So you are getting autonomy and significance
Yes, sir.
and growth.
Yes sir.
What is the other thing?
So it is contribution, like I am contributing to world.
But you are not getting the contribution. No? You
Yes,
are getting
sir.
only two.
Yes sir.
What is the other thing? Apart from motivation, what is the next thing?
So it is job safety. Like no one is going to fire me unless I am doing anything indiscipline. And second is like clarity, structure and clarity. Like if in how many years I will be promoted to a new rank is
In
fixed.
how many years will you be promoted to a
New rank is fixed, and
Yeah,
my salary
that
is
is
also.
what I'm asking.
Yes.
In how many years?
So like if I am 21 years old, so I will be captain at 35 years and 20.
Sure. Are you sure?
So it
How much time will you take from a third mate to a second
like
mate?
10 to 15 years.
Third mate. to
Second mate or
second mate.
second mate. Sir, don't know sir, this time. I can't recall it.
You don't. Okay. From second mate to chief mate, you don't know it.
No sir.
You are just knowing from third mate to captain.
Yes sir.
15 years.
Yes sir. No sir, from deck cadet to captain.
Deck cadet to captain.
Yes sir.
And it is 15 years.
Yes sir.
Is there anybody in your family or like someone you know who is in Merchant Navy and
Yes,
who
sir, my
became
cousin
captain?
is in Merchant Navy. No, sir, he is a deck cadet. My cousin is a deck cadet.
In which company he is right now?
Sir, fleet management.
Fleet management.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, which one is your favorite movie?
Sir, 12th fail.
Second favorite movie?
No, sir. So, like second, I have recently watched 3-2. It is like horror comedy movie I like.
Which one?
Sir, it's 3-2.
Stree 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is your second favorite.
Yes, sir. Because of horror comedy.
Yeah. So, what is the story of Stree 2?
So, like there are group of peoples. Like, so if I have a group of people, they are fearing from a demon. He is known as because his head is not, and we can say in Hindi, Sarkata Shaitan. We can say, and peoples are fearing from him because Sarkata Shaitan.
Why was he troubling to that
So because because he was troubling only to the girls, which were of new generation, like new thinking.
Why? What was the reason behind that?
So because sir, in ancient or in 90s time, people used to say that ladies are only have to work in homes and kitchens, and the new generation were like.
And how was he related to Stree?
So the Stree was the main cause behind that demon, because the Stree was also a, like in Hindi we can say sir. Yes, sir.
In English, what is?
Sir, I don't know it.
Okay.
And then the demon was in love with him, and she was going to marry to another another person.
People
and
or person?
Person, sir.
Okay.
So he had killed that Stree, and when she came back after life, like from death, so she cut off the demon, that person who has killed her, and he cut off the head. And after that, I don't know, sir.
The whole story was going on.
Yes, sir.
What is the role of Shraddha Kapoor?
So she was an main actress in that movie. She was helping the people to get rid of that Sarkata Shaitan or that demon.
Is she a real character or a fictional character in that movie?
Sir, fictional character.
She was not
real.
existing.
Yes, sir. She was not existing.
Who is the lead of this movie?
Sir, it is Sir Rajkumar Rao.
What is the name of Rajkumar Rao in that movie?
Sir, Vicky.
Vicky. So, like, why do you think that he is a protagonist? Why is he leading everything?
So, because of his love, attention to everyone, because he loved everyone in his village, and everyone trust him because he had get rid from the Stree in part 1.
3 positive thing about that person, Vicky.
So he was a very honest type of person. He respect girls, and second, he was a very loving type of person.
Third?
So third is loving type of person. Second is sir, he respect women's. First is sir, he's a
loving type of person.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay, leave it. Who is your inspiration in life?
So my inspiration is my father.
Why?
So because he is a very hardworking type of person. When I win anything, he celebrates with me, and if I lose, he comforts me and tell to work hard on that thing. And
what is your father's profession?
So my father is a serviceman, currently working in LIC.
LIC.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is his negative thing?
Sir, don't know, sir. So with his negative thing, I don't know.
Why?
So because I follow him only positive thing.
So isn't it the blind following?
Like his negative thing is anger issue, sir.
Anger issue.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
He get angry at very less time.
Okay. ठीक है. देखो.
Yes, sir.
वाई मर्चेंट नेवी में मैं ना तुझे नंबर 1 ही दूंगा क्योंकि तूने मारा है रट्टा.
Yes, sir.
इंट्रोडक्शन में मैंने वैसे तो तुझे 2 नंबर पूरे मिलते हैं,
यस सर।
लेकिन तूने गड़बड़ कर दी ना, गुड मॉर्निंग गुड इवनिंग, इसलिए मैंने तेरा आधा नंबर कट कर दिया है।
ओके सर।
वाया मर्चेंट नेवी में तुझे 1 नंबर इसलिए दे रहा हूँ क्योंकि तू रट्टा मार करके आया है और उसका कोई बैकअप नहीं है।
ओके सर।
जिनका बैकअप नहीं होता वो तो फंस जाते हैं, तो फंस गया वहाँ पे। हॉबीज रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन में मैंने तुझे 2 नंबर दे दिए हैं क्योंकि ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन तेरे पे बने नहीं है, इसलिए मैंने दे दिए, लेकिन मैं तुझे फंसाऊंगा नेक्स्ट टाइम।
यस सर।
क्योंकि तू बास्केटबॉल में है तो मैं मैग्नस इफेक्ट और बर्नौलीज प्रिंसिपल घुसा सकता हूँ उसमें, और कई सारी चीज़ें भी। ओलंपिक गेम्स अभी मैंने पूछे नहीं अभी, नहीं तो मैं वो
बास्केटबॉल इज इंक्लूडेड इन ओलंपिक्स आई नो।
बॉडी लैंग्वेज तेरी ठीक है,
यस सर।
लेकिन जहाँ मैं डिटेल में जा रहा हूँ वहाँ तू हड़बड़ा जा रहा है।
यस सर।
तो 1 नंबर बॉडी लैंग्वेज का है। कम्युनिकेशन स्किल भी गड़बड़ है, 1 नंबर मैंने उसका दिया है। आई कांटेक्ट एंड कॉन्फिडेंस में मैं अभी 1 ही नंबर दूंगा, ठीक है। आई कांटेक्ट तेरा ठीक है, लेकिन कॉन्फिडेंस वही कि डीपर लेवल पे जाकर के तू फंस रहा है। 4 नॉन टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन पूछे जाने चाहिए थे, 2 के आंसर तूने करेक्ट दिए हैं।
यस सर।
डेक कैडेट का जॉब प्रोफाइल पता
यस
कर,
सर।
थर्ड मेट की सैलरी थोड़ी पता कर जाकर
टाइम
के।
पीरियड ऑफ द
हाँ,
प्रमोशन,
टाइम कितना प्रमोशन का टाइम लगता है, ये सब चीज़ें पता कर। तो थोड़ा रिहर्सल करो अपने दोस्तों के साथ में।
ओके सर।
ठीक है, ऑल द बेस्ट।
थैंक यू सर।